Hi everyone. Today I want to introduce you to action research. We will explore and define what action research is and how we can apply it to the classroom or workplace. Just what is action research? We can define action research as an orderly way for teachers to explore or research a topic within the classroom. Based upon data analysis, a plan is created for a better classroom instruction. How do we begin research? Action research begins by teachers observing and responding or asking a question. That question can be asked with how, why, what if, or, I was just wondering about and I was curious about. For example, how could I increase reading for enjoyment in the library? And then we would finally begin to make a plan for research. For a plan of research, there are a couple of different ways that we could look at this. You can collect data by the quantitative method, or you may collect data qualitatively. For example, to study a program in the problem in the library qualitatively, you might want to observe students as they browse the shelves. To collect quantitative data, you could check the circulation records for how many books have been checked out in a particular genre. We would also want to determine what other research may have been done on the topic or question we have chosen. You would research other educational books and also check reliable sources on the internet like Google Scholar. Other ideas for research are to visit with other colleagues or teachers and to check out scholarly journals at the library or at other online databases. Other ways to collect data, more in a qualitative manner, are to collect notes in a journal or to record anecdotal reflections. Okay, after you've collected data, then you want to organize and analyze your information. Ways that you could use recorded data might be students' work, tests, portfolios, graphs, or tables. After you have analyzed your data, then what happens? The teacher scientists will begin the process of changing the classroom procedure based upon the evidence and research and the observation. What other things would we want to know about action research? After they have completed their analysis of the data, the teacher may share new knowledge with other teachers and evidence of changing classroom methods. What benefits are there to using action research when we have such busy lives? First of all, our students will be helped in learning. And secondly, you as a teacher will be empowered to look at your job in a different way and examine ways that you can better help students to learn. Another benefit of action research is to use this in place of the traditional in-service day or as a method of evaluation by the principal or administrator. Now I want to show you a video to view a good summary of action research.
Focus for action research is something that you are passionate about. And the big thing I emphasize is find out whether that's just you as an individual teacher, whether it's a team of 5 teachers, whether it's the whole faculty. But if it's something that you really care about and are excited about, then any of the time or energy that gets into action research is well worth it. I would see it could be very productive for a principal to say, we want every teacher in this school engaged in action research. We'd like their research to deal with something that connects in some manner to our school vision. And then there's still plenty of room within there for teachers to find that piece that they're passionate about. It's a habit of mine. And in the book, we call it the 4-step process. It's just like 4 steps to those habits. The first one is getting really clear on what you want to accomplish. Call it the vision stage, where you really have the targets clear. The second one is the theory stage. Okay, now if I want to get there, I want to get to the moon. What's the best way I use the NASA analogy. We've never been there before. We got our vision. We see a man landing on the moon, coming back safely to Earth. How do we do that? That's stage two, the theory. Uh, and then the third is, while you do it, collecting the data, which teachers are doing all the time anyway with our testing and our monitoring of student progress. And then the last stage is reflecting on it, what we've learned from it, and then you cycle back again into the vision. Well, the beauty about that is that applies to virtually any lesson I'm teaching, any program we're doing in the school, any initiative that we're involved in any one of those cases, those four habits of mind. Okay, let's think what we really want to accomplish. How is it we're going about doing it? What kind of data do we need? And what have we learned from this? So it's the kind of professional development that you carry with you forever.
In conclusion, by using action research, teachers become scientists in their classrooms, choosing to develop and implement plans to increase learning and share with other teachers their knowledge and their findings. The sources listed above were used in preparing this slideshow, though there are very many other sources available. Thanks for viewing, and I hope this has given you a good introduction to all action research.